I'm afraid I have some bad news. As you may know from the thumbnail, there has been a casualty in the single seed challenge department. Our dear Glenda is no more. She fell victim to that bad bag of soil. There's a whole saga. I'll link one of them. Maybe I'll make a playlist. We'll see what happens. I don't know. I had a lovely set of cotyledons for a little while. Never got true leaves. It got the hint of what was going to be true leaves, and then no more. If you're wondering, can bad soil really make that much of a difference? Let me show you something here real quick. So today is Sunday, the 17th. I really had to think about that for a second. And last Sunday, I took some of the seedlings that had been growing in the bad soil and switched them over to a good soil. And I put a little green tape, or a little purple tape on the one in the old soil, the bad soil. So this is the difference in 1 week after transplanting into a better soil. This is borage. And this is tomatoes from the silly tomato experiment. So significant difference, not only in growth. I mean, obviously both plants have grown a lot, but in vitality, they're much greener and brighter and healthier and actually doing things. So I have prepared a new pot. I have very carefully marked it. Single seed challenge, take 2. With the date, which, yes, I had to think about despite having just written it a few minutes ago. Long live Gertrude. So, let's try this again. I didn't bring my little diblet, so I'm just gonna use a Sharpie. All right. Come on. There we go. Alrighty, get in there, baby. Grow big. I love you. Do great things with your life. Okay, she's in there. I'm gonna leave her outside because we're actually in the 80s this week and our lows are in the 60s. Last night was 49, and that was the last time we'll be under like the mid 50s for a while, as far as the forecast says right now. Who knows? So I used the same as last time, the golden Marconi from Mary's Heirloom Seeds. She has awesome stuff. She has great prices. Go check out her website. I'll put a link in the description. And golden Marconi, if you didn't catch my first single seed video, is one that's new to me this year. I tried the regular giant Marconi, the red ones, last year, and they were so sweet and delicious and amazing and incredible. It's my new sweet pepper. Like, bell peppers are awesome if you're putting them in a stew and they don't need to shine, but if you want a sweet pepper, that's Marconis. I'm telling you, Marconis are the way to go. Later, y'all. May you be blessed and make many delicious fruits. Mwah.